Hello. Gonna go do some summoning session in Summoner's War. Let's go. Collect. Let's go. I'm gonna clear up these ones first. And I'm gonna turn off the rate up. Okay. This one. Ooh, lightning. Oh, it's a 5-star, I think. Oh no. Never mind. Hindi pala. Let's go. I'm gonna start with the water scrolls. 10 summons. Ooh, lightning. S- Oh, this is new. Meron na akong ano. Complete na yung water twins. I don't have this one. And another Miyang, so that's good. Another one. Let's go. Okay. No lightning. Lightning. Let's go. What do we get? Dryad. Another Dryad. I'm getting too much today. Let's go. No lightning. Skip. Lightning. Let's go. Okay. So let's do the fire ones now. No lightning. Lightning? Nothing. Skip. Skip. Lightning. Nothing. Skip. Skip. Lightning. Skip. Okay, okay. What did you get? Dokkaebi Princess. Let's go. Last 10. Kung Fu Girl. Okay. So far we haven't gotten a 5-star. Summon 10. Lightning. Let's go. Rakshasha. Lightning. Let's go. Flame. Gargoyle. Emtawis. Lightning. Pirate Captain. Oh, that's new. Skip. Skip. Lightning. Nothing. Skip. Last 20 win scroll. Okay, lightning. Let's go. So far I've done 200 elemental scrolls and No 5 star. Let's go. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull 100. 100. Uh, 100 mystical scroll and collect the shop. The rewards, I mean. Let's go. Lightning, nothing skip. Skip. Nothing. So far, it's been a dry run. First lightning for mystical scroll. Succubus. Lightning, let's go. Cyborg. So I've done almost 300 scroll and no 5 star. Block Tiban. Let's go. Epic and Priest. Last 10 and I'm gonna collect the rewards first. Lightning. Okay. Event. Collect all. It's been sent to your inbox. Collect. Collect. Okay. This one. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Okay. Let's continue the salmon session. No lightning skip. No lightning skip. Oh my god. Assassin. Undyne. Oh, Water Panda. Mulong. I like the win one better, I guess. But hey, it's our first ano, first 5 star. Nothing. Lightning, let's go. What did we get? Oh, okay. Magic Order Enchantress. Lightning, let's go. Oh, Macaron Gar. I like the water one. So far we've gotten 2 5 star and it's the wrong element. Lightning. Let's go, lightning. Cyborg. Let's go. Oh, Windy. I have Windy though from the guild shop. So that's a oh, this is good. This is Adriana, right? Right. Adriana. Attack power and attack speed. Let's go. Now I just need the what do you call this? Fire. What monster is that again? Claire and Sonya for snipe Nookling. But this is good. I can use this for as buffer for Miyang. So this is good. So far we've done around 400, I think, and we've gotten four, three, three. Yeah, I think three 5 star. Let's go, lightning. Rich. GC Adrian. Thanks, Lord. Skip. No lightning. No lightning skip. No lightning skip. No lightning. Let's go. Blacksmith. Gargoyle. Blacksmith. Okay. Let's go. Okay. No 5 star. Let's go. Oh, Garo.
Oh my god!
Skip.
Microbes, you asshole.
Thanks for the follow, Lord. Let's go. String Master. It's new. Water String Master. Let's go. Get it. Anubis. No lightning. Skip. Let's go. Boomerang Warrior. Brownie Magician. And Phantom Thief. Let's go. Nine-tailed Fox. Let's go. Oh, okay, birthday. Skip, skip. Let's go. Ah, okay. Carcano. Lightning skip. Let's go. Joker, Jojo, and Onimusha. Anubis. Pawis. Oh, okay, Fire Robo. String Master. Carcano. Skip, skip, skip. Let's go. Oh, dupe. Okay. I don't think I need a second Ciara. Kaya I'm gonna do this. There you go. Then I'm gonna buy a blessing. Shop. Uh, Ancient Crystal. Then it's this one. All right, bye. Let's go. 500 more Mystic Squad. Skip. Skip. Let's go. Okay. No 5-star. Skip. Let's go. Win. That's a skill up. Skip. Let's go. Nine-tailed fox. Oh, new water gargoyle. Okay. Skip. Skip. Oh, okay, okay. This is a dupe. So I'm definitely getting the Wind Bismuth here. Let's go. Oh, another dupe. Window KB Lord. I think this is the first time I've gotten to Hello Munting Mungo. Long time no see. Yeah, yeah. Happy New Year to you. Anyways, I think this is the first time I've gotten to 5-star in single 10 pool. So that's another blessing for me. I don't think I need a second Dokkaebi Lord. So, graph. And then we buy another blessing. Let's go. Almost 500 more summons. Skip. Harp Magician and Robo Silk. Okay. Skip. Skip. Let's go. So medyo spoiler pala if you have blessing cause it will automatically transfer you to the blessing animation. Skip. Skip. Let's go. Okay, no 5-star. Gargoyle. Skip. Let's go. Okay, no 5-star. Okay, no 5-star still. Oh, Sayumi, that's new. I've gotten this one earlier. It's a dupe. I don't know if this is good. Let's see. Attacks the enemy target 2 times that deal damage proportional to your max HP. Okay, HP. The first is single chance of glancing hit. Attack bar. Resets the attack bar. So 100% reduction. Attack bar reduction. Attacks the enemy target a random enemy to provoke them for 1 turn with 80% chance. When the target is already provoked, the provocation duration increased by 1 turn to. Oh. So it's kinda bad in a sense na this is HP scaling and this is attack scaling. The two skills are attack scaling, so it's split scaling. Okay, no 5-star. Skip. Skip. Let's go. The KB Princess. Undyne. Oh, that's new. Fire. Is it Undyne or Undine? I don't know, actually. Let's go. Let's go. 5-star. Ooh. Oh shit. Lord, I don't know who's more useful. Pero I think I'm gonna get Bulwark, the Water Lightning Emperor. Because I think this is also useful. Eleni. Attacks all enemies with attacks that always have an attribute advantage. With attacks that always have an attribute. Resets their attack bar, increase their chance of landing lancing hit for 2 turns. Increase your attack speed for 1 turn. Okay. Attacks the enemy to inflict damage that ignores the enemy. Oh, ignore death. Increase the damage by 5% per beneficial effect granted on yourself. So, kailangan niya din ng buffer. And decrease the skill cooldown time of Strike Fighter by 1 turn if enemy gets defeated by this skill. Pero, I think this is useful, but, okay. Select later. Yes. Okay. And then, how do you do that, Lord? Dito. Hanapin ko siya. Saan ba siya? Kasi wala. Hindi ko pa pala siya nakuha. Monster info. Usage. So, arena. Yeah, I thought so. Pwede siya kay Adriana. Kasi may speed nga ba siya? Attribute advantage. Never mind. Kalang may speed scaling siya. Wala pala. Arena. World Guild Battle. Pinang-kick leave kasi yung third skill is attacks all enemy. Federica. Claire. Sonia. Adriana, Sonia. I think magbo-bulwark pa rin ako. An incomplete summoning inspector okay. I'm going full bulwark. I think he's kinda OP. And all lightning emperors are good. Even the early ones. So I'm going for this one. Let's go. I've gotten two good monster, Bulwark and Adriana. Let's go. Okay. GC Bulwark. Thanks, Lord. Skip. Rock Sasha. Oh, okay. So here's the thing, right? Last week I was debating if I would do what call this engrave summons just for fire seal feed. Pero nakita ko there's what's that again? There's this Bastet. So sabi ko this week na lang. And then so hindi ako nag-full for 4 star for fire seal feed. Tapos nakita ko to si uh, Fire Archangel. And sabi ko dito na lang mag-summon. Pero feeling ko hindi na rin. Magwe-wait na lang ako nung mga wanted 5 star ko. Especially mga win ones like who's this? Sagar, Leo, or Sonya. There you go. So let's continue the summon session. Okay, another new 4 star. Let's go. Fire. Wind. Hmm. Oh, okay, Chiwu. And I've gotten Wintom Warden. I hope I don't get the... Let's check this na pala. Just so we include it in the summons. This is all cleared up. This one. Because there's still scrolls here. And this one. Let's see if I'm gonna get a dupe or a different element. I've just gotten the fire one. Mystic Scroll bonus, I'm gonna collect them after all the Mystic Scroll I've gotten all the Mystic Scrolls. How do I know? What? Summon. One, two, three, four, five, six. How do I know? This is the fire one. Okay, hindi siya nag-2. So, I've collected it na eh. Pero walang lumabas na if what element did I collect. Weird. Anyways, I'm not sure if I think uh, hindi gaano ka-useful yung mga new monsters. Skip. Let's go. Horse. Oh, new one. Another new 4 star. Monster pieces. Okay, Sayumi, another one. Okay, I've gotten Fire and Wind Tomb Warden without activating the whatchamacall this the rate up. So that's kinda good. Okay, thanks Lord. So I need water. Water, let's go. Kompleto. The 3 normal elements. Brownie Magician, another new 4 star. Oh, 4 star. I thought it's a 5 star. Xian. There's this guy. Monster info. Okay. And Mercenary Queen. So 4 star lang pala to. I think yung water one and the LD ones are the 5 star. Skip. Magic Order, another one. Okay. No 5 star. Skip. Skip. Let's go. Oh, a star. Okay, Water Anubis, another new 4 star. Oh, I've got the Frederica. I think Frederica is useful. Let's check her skills. So, passive, third skill. Grants invincibility for 1 turn and life drain for 2 turns. Life drain? It's a free vampire rune on yourself when you're inflicted with fatal damage. Ah, fatal damage. So, eh, kinda like Theomars in some ways. Afterwards, removes or harmful effect granted on. Oh, okay. So, you gain invincibility, life vampire, rune, and a cleanse on self. And task the enemy to inflict damage that ignores the enemy's ignore death. So pareho siya nung wind na ignore death. So that's good kasi ignore deaths are always good. Even the 4 star one like who's this? Water sniper. So ignore death is always good. Increase the damage by 5% per beneficial effect granted on yourself. So kailangan may buffer siya. And decrease the skill cooldown, blah blah blah. Decrease attack bar, monster info usage. Adriana, okay, that's good. Because I've just gotten Adriana, so I just need the Sonya. So these are the sniper nook teams. Either you do Claire and Sonya or Federica and Sonya. This one has Leo. Attack power leader. Okay, okay. So this one has to ignore death. Covenant has ignore death. Okay, okay. Oh, Chandra, and then ignore death, and then Riley. I could also do that. That's good. I could use that team. Last 18 scroll. So far we've gotten 3 good 5 star. Adriana, Bulwark, and Federica. Let's collect these ones because this bonus is only for mystical scrolls, I think. So another 109 summons. Use 10 scrolls and get 1 bonus scroll. 10 scrolls or 10 mystical scroll. And get 1 bonus mystical scroll whenever you use 10 mystical scrolls. So it's only for mystical scrolls. Kaya I've collected it na. And it's in the inbox. So another 100 summon. So 1,000 scrolls, I've gotten extra 100. Let's do single pulls first. Let's go lightning. 4 star. Okay, I skipped that. That was my bad. Let's go. Lightning. Magic or another one. Okay. Windseal feed. Skip. Skip. 60 more. Win that night. What did we get? Fire Dice Magician. Let's go. Oh, another dupe. So I'm gonna feed that, and I think I can do 2 blessings. I think. Craft. Uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move. 1, 1. Okay. How many more Mystic Skull? 30 more. 3 more Tentacles. I'd skip that. Oh my god, I got Daphnis. This is Daphnis. Daphnis, yeah. It's kinda useful in some ways kasi like Ignore Death removes all beneficial effects is also useful. This is one enemy lang ata, no? All beneficial granted on the enemy. Yung target lang. Wait, this is a dupe. I have Daphnis. So I can buy another blessing. Hindi pala ako bumili ng blessing, nag-summon ako. So dapat na-trigger na yung ano ko, blessing. Tanga ko din. So I can do 3 blessing. Shop. Baka makalimutan ko na naman eh. Bye. 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 So, I think I got 40 something legendary scroll. So, makaka 5 star naman siguro tayo dun. Yeah, around 40. Exactly 40. Last 20, Mystic Skull. Kaya nga eh, na-excite ako eh. Na-trigger na sana yung unang blessing. So, sana hindi dupe yun. Or, possible din naman dupe dalawa lumabas. So, we don't know. We'll never know. Let's do this first. Skip. Come on. What's this? Magic order? Yeah, water new. Pero at least, in hindsight, at least next time may blessing ako. Next time na makaipon ulit ako. If hindi siya matrigger lahat ngayon. Okay. I think I've got 6 Miyang ready to be built just in case I want to do dupes for Siege. Skip. What's this? Okay. the Fire City. So far no 5 star for the Legendary Scrolls. Yeah, it's very dry. New 4 star. Another one. Okay, 4 star. Fire Robo. No 5 star. That's also a Legendary Scrolls. Yeah, no 5 star. I think Malas also Legendary Scroll. Oh, water. Okay, skill up for Miyang. So dry. Around 40 legendary scrolls and no 5 star. Kyle. String Master. Malas also legendary scroll. Okay, let's go. What's his name? Belinus, yeah, Belinus. Because I've gotten Chiwo kanina, earlier. So, Belinus. I think it's kinda okay. Not great, but okay. Usable. Weakens attack power, continuous damage, stun, and his defense. Okay. Heart Magician. Okay. Last 4. Give me 5 star. Last 2. Last 1. Nothing. Oh, let's go. Let's go. I'm going for Dominic definitely. Chimera is okay. Dominic is good even for RTA. There's a lot of wind 5 star whatchamacall this DPS like Leo, Sonya, Dominic, right? Dominic, yeah. So I'm getting Dominic. So I think we've gotten four good 5 star. Ang ganda, ano yun ah? That's a buzzer beat. Last legendary scroll and we've gotten a 5 star. So far we've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So what's the plan? I'm gonna save my Ancient Transcendence and Transcendence scroll and pieces just in case the Transcendence works for rate up next time. The one where you can choose the rate up. That way I can secure the 5-star event. I'm gonna do this first. Legendary Wind Scroll. Useless. What more? LD, Legendary. Uh, I think I'm gonna go for Legendary All Attribute Scroll because I feel it's a scam. Nobody gets 5-star here, especially LD 5-star. Then we're gonna do the 10-year scroll next. Then the last would be second to the last would be oh, this is useful. This is useful. I don't know what his name is, pero is useful. Even for Sage, I feel like Truffle, Truffle. Let's go. Truffle Leia. I have Leia. Attacks all enemies 2 times to decrease their defense. Okay, defense breaker. For 3 turns. That's a lot. 3 turns. And attack bar by 25%. So 3 turns siya, pero mababa yung rate niya. 25% lang. This attack will deal more damage according to her HP. She's HP scaling. Attacks the enemy 2 times, stunning the enemy for 1 turn, and disturbing the HP recovery for 2 turns with a 70% chance. This attack will damage according to HP again. So it's kinda good. Split scaling, since first skill is attack uh, scaling, pero dalawa naman is HP scaling. That's good. Mahirap pag isa lang eh. Isang HP lang tapos dalawang attack. It's weird. At least this one to HP scaling and it's according. So attack is also useful. So you can raise both HP and attack for the first skill too. Para lumakas din yung first skill. Okay. So at least may nakuha tayong one good 4-star. I'm not expecting an LD5 pero pag nagkaroon tayo ng useful na LD 4-star, okay yan. Okay yan. So I'm gonna do what's next? 10-year scrolls. And then this one is gonna be the last. 10-year scrolls, LDs, and then this one. Let's go. Wow. No lightning first try. Let's go. Okay. Twins. Let's go, lightning. Imp. Okay, 5-star, 5-star, LD. Oh, oh. This one I'm not sure. Help me, Lord. Pero baka itong puppeteer. Kasi remove all beneficial effects. And silence. And bomb. I think mas useful siya kaysa sa Devil Maiden. We can attack all enemy trees like continuous damage. It's kinda eh. Pero para siyang ano, replacement for Rika. Pero 1 turn lang si Rika. Attack 3 times tapos 3 turn yung continuous damage. Pero may decrease attack bar siya. Spooky ghosts appear from the bag to attack all enemies 2 times. Each attack 1 beneficial effect. Oh, stripper din siya. Meron kang ganito Lord, 'di ba? Yata. Devil Maiden na fire. Oh, it's kinda useful. Kasi attack all enemies and remove one lang. One beneficial effect. All beneficial effect. Yeah, Sima. I'm gonna go for Sima. Kasi all beneficial effects and my bomb. Bomb is okay even for RTA kaya okay din si Ciara and Smicer kasi nakaka-stun yung ano, yung whatchamacallit yung bomb pag nag-trigger ay pag sumabog. Water yung akin si alam ko dalawa Devil Maiden mo. Check mo yung storage mo. I think fire and water. Okay, I think naubos ko na yung blessing ko. Nakatatlo na ako. Oh, okay. Oh, light sail fade. New. And dark Amazon. Let's go. Oh, this is HOH, I think. Ang mga ano niya. Critical rate. Skip. Let's go. I have this na si ano. What's her name? Forgot her name. Bailey, yeah. Yeah. 80 more. Let's go. Oh, Dark Griffon. Light Dice Magician. Light Assassin. I think this is HOH. Or it's the dark one. I'm not sure. The dark one, sure. Because dun ko nakuha yung akin eh. HOH. So, at least nakakakuha tayo ng mga light and dark na 4 star. That's good. Oh! Useful! Martina! Pwede na akong mag ano, Martina and the Fire Twin. So, okay. Nakakuha tayo ng mga useful na ano ngayon. Na 4-star LD. Truffle, Martina, that's good. Okay, Dark Assassin HOH. Okay, HOH. I have this one kasi finarm ko yan eh. Pero hindi ko pa na-summon kaya nyo. So I have Leia and Martina. That's good. Good 4-star LD DPSs. Thank you, Lord. Last 10, last 10. Nothing, it's dry. Okay. So let's do the LD now. LD. I just want a Dark Robo or Siri, Dark Siri. Let's go. Skip. Let's go. Let's go. 5-star. 4-star. 5-star! Whoa! Holy shit. Speed leader. Holy shit. If the enemy takes damage from continuous damage when it gains a turn, decrease the HP of all enemies excluding the target by half of the damage dealt. However, this effect does not accumulate and does not apply in boss battle. Additionally, inflicts continuous damage for 2 turns whenever you attack the enemy. Oh, okay. So dater siya. 2 times, the first attack inflicts continuous damage, another dot skill for 2 turns with 80% chance. And the second attack prevents the enemy from removing harmful effects for 2 turns with 80% chance. Okay. Disturb HP recovery. That's good kasi speed lead siya and no restriction. So you can use it anywhere. You know how I know it's 5-star Lord? Pag may lumabas na circle na nag-aano, 5-star daw yun sa LD. Pag may nag-loading, yung circle na loading. Yes, my first LD in 10 years. Okay, HOH. Okay, okay, okay. So hindi pala Lord kasi yung nag-loading din eh. Pero 3-star siya. Pero yun kasi yung ginagawang ano dati ni Seisisho eh, ang alam ko, pag nag-loading. Pero ngayon, na-prove natin na hindi kasi 3-star yung lumabas. Okay, 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 okay. I've got a lot of 5-star to build and 4-star LDs. Let's go, lightning. Lightning. Oh, holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Benedict. Attacks additionally to deal damage. Ignore death. So it's good. Ignore death. And that resistant effects when you attack the enemy on your turn. This attack absorb 30% of the enemy's attack bar. So ignore death and absorb the attack bar. Branding. Oh, that's good. Increase the damage increases as the enemy HP condition is bad. So the lower, yeah, Maximilian is okay, pero I think this is kinda good. Pwede siyang gawing DPS kasi may ignore def eh. Pero mas ano nga, mas sikat si Maximilian. Kasi I think Maximilian is speed lead din. Putang ina, dalawang LD. 5 in 10 years. Okay. So, this is the calm after the storm. Wala nang lightning. Nakadalawa na daw ako. Kota na, kota na. 2025, dalawang LT5. Let's go. Wala na talaga. Ayaw na. Oh, let's go. I think HOH to, not sure. Damage reduction effects. Let's go. Back-to-back lightning. Oh, Halpas. Another useful 4-star. Diba si Halpas to? And speed lead. So, madami-dami din yung nakuha nating Martina, Halpas, and Truffle. Madami-dami din yung nakuha natin magandang LT4. Kahit walang Dark Chromo and Dark Series, okay. Light Servant. Okay. I think hindi na siya magla-lightning. Baka dalawang LT5 na ako eh. Kota na daw ako, kota na. Okay. So, the last scroll. So, my wish list is mga RTA useful normal elements and LDs. I'm not expecting an LD5s. Hopefully kahit ano lang. normal element. Kaso feeling ko this is a scam scroll. So, let's go. Scam scroll. Okay. So, I think we're good. I'm happy I've gotten two LDs and Halpas, Martina, and Truffle. So, that's all for the salmon session. Yeah, HOH nga to nakuha ko kanina. And which one? Ito din. Okay. Okay, okay. Thank you for watching. Whoever is watching, there's six lurkers in chat. I don't know who you guys are, but thank you for lurking. I appreciate you guys lurking. And I must end the stream here kasi I just wanted to summon and have it recorded in video. GC, Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Lord. Thank you. 1 hour summon session for 1,500 scrolls. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, guys. Have a Happy New Year.